So here's Lisa AI app overview. And yeah, so here what you can do, you can just turn words into AI art. So you can just enter some prompt. So you can enter something like castle or whatever, and then you can enter multiple prompts. Yeah, what you have here, then you can just select style. There are different styles. And then, yeah, unfortunately, then you need to upgrade. But there is 3-day free trial, and there's $4.99 per week. And then, yeah, you can just start your free trial and then just continue with that. Then you can also create your AI avatar. So you can use this app for uploading AI avatars. So what you need to do is just select 8 to 16 photos of yourself. So just, yeah, choose photos like this. Different backgrounds, but still it should be very clearly, your face should be seen very clearly. And yeah, and then if you have close-up selfies, so yeah, if you have something like that, if you have like bad glasses, too many people in one photo, then it will just damage the final results. And then you can just select 8 to 16 photos, and then basically all of it will just work. But unfortunately, again, you need to upgrade, and this is a different upgrade. Here you just you need to pay, and when you want to upload an image, so for example, let's just do it, you need to select another package. So for example, I can just go to my selfies, and then just select different selfies. Then select your gender, and then you can just select different styles. And then, yeah, you can generate 100 unique avatars with $6.99, for example, or 50 unique avatars, $8.99. So yeah, there you have it. Hope this is helpful.